so it's blinking. आपको ये डिवाइस में कैसे सेंसिटिविटी ज़्यादा बढ़ा सकते हो. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech by Desi. Today we'll unbox two products from SONOFF. So I ordered some of the products from SNZB, which helps you to connect your Zigbee devices to Wi-Fi or cloud, or help you to set up the Zigbee devices very easily for different automations in your home. So हम देखते हैं कि क्या क्या devices हैं. One is like your Zigbee Bridge Pro that helps you to connect your Zigbee devices to your internet or your Wi-Fi or to your cloud, and also helps you to run local scenes itself. I will talk about it more in the later video. And second device I ordered is this presence sensor. मैंने ये presence sensor इसलिए ऑर्डर किया कि कई लोगों की डिमांड होती है कि नॉर्मल मोशन सेंसर में क्या होता है कि यू हैव टू वेव योर हैंड अगेन एंड देन ओनली इट डिटेक्ट्स यू. सो विल सी लेटर ऑन कि इसमें क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. और लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इटसेल्फ, दैट इज Zigbee Bridge Pro. एंड Zigbee Bridge Pro के अंदर अगर हम देखें तो फ्रंट साइड पे प्रोडक्ट की इमेज बनी हुई है जो एक्सप्लेन करती है कि प्रोडक्ट में क्या है, कैसा उसका विजिबिलिटी होगी. एंड पीछे अगर देखेंगे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन की हुई हैं कि लाइक क्या कुछ है, क्या प्राइस है. Zigbee Bridge Pro की MRP एज पर SNZB 4995 है, बट यू कैन हैव डिफरेंट चैनल्स फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन ऑर्डर. बट आई गेस SNZB इज़ अ ट्रस्टेड चैनल. एंड ऑल्सो मैंने बहुत सारे डिवाइसेज इनसे मंगवाए हैं और आज तक कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ नहीं है. एंड हुआ भी है तो दे हैव अ वेरी गुड कस्टमर सपोर्ट. सो आई विल ओपन दिस एंड देन लेट्स सी की व्हाट्स इनसाइड. This is the box of the device, and inside this let's see कि क्या कुछ include होता है. So सबसे टॉप पर आपको ये डिवाइस मिलेगा inside it, and then there is certain documentation, and then let's see more what's inside. But this is not coming from this side. हम दूसरी साइड ओपन करके बॉक्स का निकालते हैं कि क्या कुछ है और इसमें. So you will get I guess one of SIM ejector tool, and then with that SIM ejector tool you will get some data cable I guess. It's a data cable to connect to power. एंड उसके साथ साथ आपको बस यही मिलता है और कुछ क्लाउड एक्सेस मिलेगा सोनोफ की तरफ से ताकि आप अपने डिवाइसेस को कनेक्ट कर पाएँ इजीली. अगर हम इसके अंदर देखें तो यू विल गेट वन पावर पोर्ट एट द स्टार्ट इटसेल्फ विच हेल्प्स यू टू कनेक्ट इट टू पावर. एंड इसमें कोई लैन पोर्ट नहीं है एज सच जिसके थ्रू आप लैन पोर्ट के थ्रू कनेक्ट करके इसको इंटरनेट दे पाएँ. ये वाईफाई बेस्ड है, बट इसका एक बिगर वर्जन भी आता है सोनोफ Zigbee अल्ट्रा. तो वो क्या करता है, आपको वेरी इजीली यू कैन पुट अ लैन पोर्ट इनसाइड इट, बट इट डोंट हैव अ लैन पोर्ट, बट यू हैव अ रीसेट होल हेयर which you can reset with the help of this SIM ejector tool. And apart from this you can see all of the details are mentioned upon it, which says like what is serial number and model number, which is ZB Bridge P, and it works upon 5 volt 1 ampere. We'll see this more in depth when we connect it to cloud and see कि Alexa के साथ कैसे पेयर अप हो सकता है. इसके ऊपर आप देखोगे तो e-support लिखा हुआ है, works with everything, बट मोर डिटेल्स इस पर कुछ एक्सप्लेन नहीं है. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस डिवाइस कैन पेयर अप टू 128 Zigbee डिवाइसेस. इसमें वाईफाई एंड Zigbee बोथ सपोर्ट करता है. ये Zigbee डिवाइसेस को अपने साथ कनेक्ट करता है एंड देन हेल्प करता है आपको कि वो वाईफाई के थ्रू यू कैन यूज़ इट विद अदर डिवाइसेस और यू कैन यूज़ इट विद सोनोफ क्लाउड. एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि कुछ स्मार्ट सीन्स ये लोकली भी रन कर सकता है, तो अगर इंटरनेट डाउन हो तब भी ये बेसिक ऑटोमेशंस चला सकता है अपने अंदर. सिक्योरिटी के लिए इसमें होम अवे और स्लीप जैसे और मोड्स और लोकल अलार्म जैसी कैपेबिलिटीज़ दी गए हैं जो इंडियन होम्स के लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल है. ये हब सोनोफ के Zigbee डिवाइसेस के साथ इजीली काम करता है और eWeLink ऐप से कंट्रोल हो सकता है. साथ ही अलेक्सा, गूगल होम और कुछ केसेस में स्मार्ट थिंग्स या होम असिस्टेंट जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ भी इंटीग्रेट हो सकता है एडवांस ऑटोमेशंस के लिए. बट अगर हम इसको देखें तो ये स्टैंड अलोन डिवाइस उन लोगों के लिए ठीक है जिनको कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा होम ऑटोमेशन एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है, बट बेसिक डे टू डे टास्क करने हैं एंड नॉर्मल ऑटोमेशन दे हैव टू क्रिएट. तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट डिवाइस दे कैन बाय एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट दैट कॉस्टली. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इट अराउंड 3000 rupees, but you can see on the links and you can get more offers on SNZB. I will add affiliate links below, you can buy it from there. Let's move to the second product, that is Zigbee Presence Sensor. ये प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर जो इमेज बनी हुई है ये रिजेंबल तो बिल्कुल मोशन सेंसर को ही करती है, बट इट्स लिटिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल मोशन सेंसर. जो Zigbee का ये ह्यूमन प्रेजेंस सेंसर है ये हेल्प करता है आपको कॉन्टिन्यूस डिटेक्ट करने के लिए कि कोई मोशन है या नहीं है. हम इसको अनबॉक्स करके देखते हैं इसमें क्या निकलता है क्या नहीं है. एंड इफ़ वी सी कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा SNZB की तरफ से ब्रांडिंग है एंड एज पर द MRP इट इज़ नियर अबाउट 3000 rupees itself. I'll add more links to buy it. Its model number is SNZB-06P. ये कॉन्टीन्यूसली आपको डिटेक्ट करता है प्रेजेंस के लिए. जैसे नॉर्मल मोशन सेंसर्स में प्रॉब्लम होती है कि आपको बार बार हैंड वेव करना पड़ता है डिटेक्ट करने के लिए, बट इट यूज सम अदर टेक्नोलॉजीज टू कॉन्टीन्यूसली डिटेक्ट. we got some coupon from LedgeBridge itself. It says you got a 1,000 rupees coupon. Let's keep it aside for some time, and then we'll see कि what's more inside it. It's pre-use instructions, a manual. ये एक्सप्लेन करता है कि क्या क्या चीज़ें आप कर सकते हो, कैसे सेंसिटिविटी कम कर सकते हो, कैसे सेंसिटिविटी ज़्यादा बढ़ा सकते हो उस चीज़ की, और यू कैन ट्रेन इट मोर. ऑल्सो इन दैट यू कैन यूज़ 2 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंसर्स टुगेदर. लाइक आप मोशन सेंसर और ह्यूमन प्रेजेंस सेंसर्स बोथ को एक साथ में पेयर अप करके दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन और इंटरसेक्शन की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हो, जिससे आपको पता लगे कि कौन सी चीज़ नॉन मूवेबल है एंड कौन सी चीज़ मूवेबल है और कौन सा ह्यूमन है और नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से आप ज़्यादा इन डेप्थ चीज़ों को पता कर सकते हो. विल सी मोर इनसाइड इट. This is the presence sensor itself. This is very small, very compact itself, and the weight is very less. I can't feel much of the weight of this device. I guess we can't open it because it runs through this C-type power, and there is no option to open it up. And I guess it's also not required to open this device like other motion sensor, जिसमें हमें cell change करने होते थे, because it continuously run on the power by this C point, and there is also a base included in it. If we see this is the base, 3M tape just to stick it on a wall, and let's keep it aside, and then we'll see more things which are included. So a very big size C-type cable is also included, and the quality of the cable is very good. So we'll see more like when we connect about these to our the Zigbee Bridge Pro. And apart from this, there is also a documentation for this SNZB-06P, which is somewhat similar to your previous documentation for motion sensor. And apart from this, you also get some of the holders and all to keep your cables intact on the wall itself. So these are the cable holders, and apart from this, you also got some screws to tighten this sensor on wall. So we'll start our demo and see कि devices कैसे काम करते हैं. This is the first device, SONOFF Zigbee Bridge Pro, which will help us to connect sensor. ये जैसे हमने बात करा था, इसको साइड पे रखते हैं. I'll bring one more socket itself so that we can connect it very easily to power. And हमें इसके साथ एक चार्जर भी यूज़ करना पड़ेगा जो इसको रन करेगा पावर देने के लिए. So I'm using my standalone Realme adapter. So I'll plug it up and then I'll just untie it and put it on power. साथ में I'll show it you on a screen itself कि हम कैसे सारी चीज़ें कर पा रहे हैं. हम एक ऐप को डाउनलोड करेंगे एंड सबको कनेक्ट करेंगे खुद के साथ. So let's start on this and I'll put power upon this device. And as we connect it to the power, there is a blue light, I guess, will blink here. Yeah, it started blinking, and we'll keep it aside and we'll start our steps. So I'll bring my tab. So let's start upon this. So we'll go on Play Store. So we'll search for eWeLink app here, and we'll go in eWeLink. So this is the app eWeLink, that is for SONOFF, and we'll just install it up. So I'll open it up. So we can see the interface looks like this. So we'll just start it up. We'll click upon start here, and after clicking upon start, we'll agree upon terms and usage policies. And after that, it will ask for a number itself. I'm registering it for first time, so I'll register and I'll give my number here. So you have to first select your region. I have to press, and you have to enter your mail ID first. I'll enter my mail ID and then I'll go ahead, and it will ask for a verification code. So the verification code I got with me is there on my other phone itself. I'll put that code here, and then I'll just set a password itself. So we are logged in this, and then we'll press on next. It will say start. So let's start upon this, adding our new device itself. So firstly we'll just power on so that we know that it's powered on. So we'll see this device is turning on, and as soon as it's turned on, it's turned on, and then we'll click upon add. And after clicking upon add, we got this quick pairing, and then so while using this app, I have given the permission itself, and then it is asking for me to give my Wi-Fi password itself. So I'll add a Wi-Fi password here, so that the device can easily pair with my Wi-Fi. So now this find the SONOFF Zigbee Pro. So I'll click upon this device itself and press upon add. So this device is selected and it's added now. It's in process of being added as my device, and if you see the status link this is blinking continuously, and now it's stable. So it is just blinking very fastly, but like a notification bar. So I'll click upon this, I'll add it. You can change the name and all, but I guess I'll keep it same for now, and click upon next. So I added it up. You can share it with the different accounts itself, but I add it, and then now this is the view on the app itself, which it's a disarmed, and we have away mode, home mode, and a sleep mode where we don't want anything to execute. So we have a new firmware update, so we'll first do that update. So we'll go to the home settings, we'll go with this, and then we'll go in the settings itself, and let's go to updates. I guess it will be below more settings. So current version is this, and this is the update. I'm pressing upon continue, so we'll get a new version updated and move on the next step. So meanwhile, I will also install my Alexa app here so that we can easily integrate Alexa also. So you can also do that, but for me, I'm just installing it here because I never use Alexa from this device. I use on my phone on which I'm recording. But meanwhile Alexa installs, we can go back to that screen and see what is the update status. So device is getting updated, so I guess it will take some time. So let's wait for the device to come up and we can see on the screen then. And let's see the update of Alexa. I logged in my device itself. So this is my home device and all. So let's move ahead with the current setting itself, and I'll skip this part because I have already done on my iPhone itself, which I use as a primary device. So let's open it, and then let's go in the devices. I have a lot of motion sensor and all which I use with Home Assistant. I'll talk about it later on, but meanwhile we can go and see whether this is installed or not. So if I go there, yeah, I guess, yeah, the firmware upgrade is in process, and firmware is successfully upgraded. Now we'll turn on the other device itself, and let's connect the sensor, and then we'll connect it to Alexa, and then make a system where we see like if Alexa is there, then turn on the light or turn off the light. So this was the motion sensor, but for this motion sensor also we require something through which we can power. So I'll bring one more adapter through which we can add power to it, and after adding power to it, this will also be live, and then we'll see how we can add this device to our this. So I'll not open the complete wire for this. So I'll add power to this point and connect it up. So yeah, so it's blinking, so this light is blinking here, and as soon as this blinks, so we can go back to our this, and there itself I can press upon add, and this will search for the devices near around. It would automatically go in a pairing mode. So as you see, like it already found one device. So if I press upon next, we can see it is in process of adding the device and getting more details for the device. So you can see like this, because this restarted, so this will come back again, and we can see occupancy sensor. This find out the occupancy is there and someone is there in the room. I'll show this. This is one of my smart plug itself, which I made from ESP. This I'll connect here, and I'll show you that. So when it is turned on, this red lights come up. So I guess the best possible way to show is this only. So this is a light which comes up, and as soon as this device turns off, so I'll put something in front of it so that you can see that light is on or off. I'll put this, and you can see that light is on, and it is connected. And let's connect this device to Alexa. So we'll go back and just go here on 3 dots and connect up on Alexa. So this will yep. So these are all of these things, and we say link now. So link with Amazon Alexa. This will take us to the Alexa app, and then this will pair it up with Alexa. Yep. This is paired up with Alexa, and if we go to Alexa app, in Alexa app we can see that this device is there, and which say device is unresponsive. It will take some time. So as per the updated data, we can see now the motion is detected here, and it can detect some motion from last 5 minutes. But let's go and do some automations. So we'll go and press upon here, and like we can see all of the devices we can add new. But we'll go there, and then we'll go to routines itself, and then add one more routine itself, which says when smart home, and then there is this 06P, and we'll say when the motion is not detected for 1 minute, then it will automatically turn off this device itself. Now next, and then add action, we'll say smart home again, and we'll go here in this all devices, and in that we have this smart plug switch. So we'll turn it off. We'll say that when there is no motion, turn it off, and then we'll save. And same will create for as soon as the motion is detected here. So I'll add it up here itself like a new routine, and when I click upon here on smart home, and then I'll again go to this 06P, and in 06P for 1 minute motion, when detected, for whenever the motion is detected, add action, and I'll say turn on the plug itself. So I'll go here, and in the plugs it's not able to select, I'm not able to select that. This tab is pretty old, so that's why it's getting hanged, but you can now turn it on for whenever the motion is detected, and then I'll just save it up. So I'll go outside of this room for a second itself, and then we'll see whether it's able to detect that there is a motion or not. And you will see that if there is no motion detected, automatically it will turn it off. I'll go outside, and then we'll see. So I'm coming back inside my room itself, and you see that as soon as I'm inside, it automatically turned it on. So you can have your lamp inside your room or whatsoever you want, so that the optimizations can work accordingly. So this was a little example which I've shown you, but I hope you like this video. और इसके अंदर भी और भी ज़्यादा चीज़ें आती रहेंगी जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा होम ऑटोमेशन के बारे में गाइड करेंगे and how to use these devices. This was it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video where we'll discuss more upon SONOFF devices and how to use them and how to create a complete foolproof system in your home so that your home is intelligent and आपको कुछ भी खुद से करना ना पड़े.